What's up, guys? It's us back again with another video.
Alright guys, Broke Side by Side here, back with another RPM product. Again, thanks to Jason for hooking us up this season, really helping our whole team out with products from Can-Am, X3, anything side-by-side related.
Cheers!
So we're going to be doing an install and review video on the RPM Sport Muffler for a Polaris Razor.
Get on this side, get on this side. We already started.
Hey Josh, can you help there?
There you go.
Alright, George, what are you doing?
I am removing the cover from this muffler.
So pro tip, go ahead and pre-soak your exhaust bolts here with some sort of penetrating oil, PV Blaster, WD-40, anything like that. We've learned from previous experience that these bolts can seize and be really hard to get off and make the install a nightmare.
What? No.
So similar to the X3 exhaust install that we did recently, there are some exhaust springs that you have to remove. Again, they sell exhaust spring tools, but if you don't have anything, needle nose pliers, channel locks, anything could be used, but it'll definitely be a lot harder.
Alright, so what are you taking off now, George?
The brackets that held on the plastic cover.
Come off first.
What you mean, my boy?
Oh, that's mine. Is it? Oh, yeah.
Fighting to the death over the sticker. What are you doing over here, John?
Oh, you know, just putting this plastic car back together. Fucking dusty. Oh my god.
Just cleaning off the old gasket material from the flange before you install the new supplied exhaust gasket.
Alright.
Where's the pick?
I don't know, put it over here somewhere, or one of the bags, so this we start getting to it.
And that back doesn't really strip some in.
So just like the X3 exhaust, any exhaust really, make sure you take off any fingerprints before you do a first heat cycle on the exhaust. Otherwise it'll bake those oils into the stainless steel.
Extra parts?
Yeah.
Sick. Fell off my sweats too.
What's good, John?
You should have a
See all the sand?
Yeah.